quick video about showing you how to do the sides here. You can see my my top here, and once again I want to rub these tabs out here because we don't want a line hanging through them. That goes for any of our tabs. We should not have a line through them. Okay, right, so first of all our side needs to be the same height as this. So I measure it without the tab there, and it's at 80. So we double click on the inside here. Okay, same here, just to make sure these two lines are there. And we're drawing a rectangle from the inside to the inside, and you guessed it, it's going to be 80. So I drag it up to all my dimensions in the bottom right. See, there we go, 80. Click. All right. Now we've got our sides. So we've got room here for our tabs and room here for our tabs. The inside of our tabs here, once again, we're going to draw them where the gap is here. So we'll need our measuring tape, and we'll need a 6mm. Whoops, what's happened there? We don't want that. Command Z. There we go. So we want a 6mm space because our tabs are going to be 6mm. And once again, we go to our rectangle tool and we make sure we do it from endpoint to endpoint, or intersection to intersection, I should say. Okay, there we go. Now, our side tabs. All right, there's a couple of ways to do this. We go back to our tried and true here, and we hold that, and then we hold Option, and we drag it to here. And we need an odd number, maybe 5. Whoops. Okay, I didn't click the divided by 5 properly. I have to do it again. There we go, odd number. They're a little small, so 3 would be the next one to go to. Try it again. Yeah, that'll do. All right, same thing will have to be done here. You can do the same here, or you can do it a different way. I'll show you a couple of ways. First of all, we'll draw these on either side. Okay, I draw that to there because if you see this here, this needs to come up into this slot. So that's why I haven't drawn this down to here, because this is going to be in the way here. Okay, so I've got that there, and I want to do the same over here. And then I'm going to mop the lines up, the leftover lines. Cool. So there's two ways. So I can either do the same here and divide it by 3, or I could, if I really wanted to test it, what I can do is click on my arrow there, click about 3 or 4 times, or the other way is you can hold down your left button and drag the select square over it. Okay, and then this one here is your move tool. So we move that up to here. So I move it a little bit away, okay, and I kind of line it up halfway. So I click that there, and I want this tool here. This is the rotate. So I want to click in the center here, okay, click once, then I drag this out as a, you'll see it's a square dotted line, and I drag that out sideways and click again, and now I can rotate it. So I want to rotate this so it is evenly like that. Okay, back to my move tool. Now I'm gonna move it from the corner. Okay, so click the mouse button on the corner with your move tool, and you want to move it up to your bit where you have the tabs. Okay, and you can click it like that. And all I'm really done is rotated it and lined it up with this, so I can draw my tabs in. And I'm going to do it on this side too. So I need a 6mm thing there. Here we go, thank goodness. Okay, and you see this is lined up with this line's lined up with this line. Okay, and to check you can double click with a dotted line on that and they both should line up. Alright, so all I need to do now is draw my rectangle here. This is going to make a side tab. Alright, and then do the same here. Then I'm going to get this, and I need to undo this line here, undo this line. If I could actually click on it, there we go, and same thing here. So these are going to slot into each other when I actually cut it out. And I know it's going to happen because I can see it on the screen. Perfect fit right there. Okay, now I can do the same to get it back. Draw my select square over it, go to my move tool, move it out a bit. Then I go to my rotate tool, click once, stretch, click again, then move it up until it's perfectly on the vertical there. Cool, and then back to my move tool. Once again I move it from my corner. Okay, and I move that in close to here. And if I want to line this up, I go into the corner here, the very corner, and I move it into the point there. Cool, and I can be sure that all of this lines up. So last thing I need to do is make another one for here, and then make another one from here, and I am done.